Aurigene Pharmaceutical Services is a leading contract discovery research, development and manufacturing organization. The process of bringing a drug to market involves coordinating multiple partners, which can be time-consuming and expensive. At Aurigene, we bridge this gap with integrated services from concept to commercialization, accelerating the time to market for your molecule through our discovery, development and manufacturing services. With a successful track record spanning across 2 decades, Aurigene has established varied multi-year partnerships ranging from a small biotech to manufacturing an API at scale for large pharma companies or developing innovative molecules at our R&D centers in India. We help our customers meet increasing demands for sustainable high-quality medicines. Aurigene is home to over 500 talented and highly qualified scientists spread across our discovery and development services teams who bring experience from different verticals of pharmaceutical and healthcare industry. At the core of all our functions are the deeply embedded principles of safety, security and quality, not only for each and every one of our employees, but within the process of each project we undertake. Our efforts in sustainability date back to 2004, back when it was regarded as a pioneering effort. Today, we have fully integrated our sustainability principles in our core operations through well-documented progress on our 9 pillars of sustainability. Aurigene offers integrated and standalone services in discovery, chemistry and biology to innovative pharma companies. With an innovative and technologically driven approach, we solve complex scientific problems and enable the advancing of molecules through the different phases of preclinical discovery. Through our development services, we enable our partners through early phase, late phase and commercial supplies. Our manufacturing infrastructure is equipped to handle complex chemistry, high-potent compounds and peptides. Our formulation development services team helps in translating new drug candidates into drug products ready for clinical trials and commercial supply. Our customers benefit from our access to manufacturing facilities spread across India, UK, Mexico and USA, in addition to a network of strategic business partners. The Aurigene advantage our clients experience is of a one-stop CDMO partnership. Our experienced team is well versed in discovery and CMC services and will work closely with you to support you at every stage of your product life cycle. With our integrated infrastructure and flexible business models, we can adapt to every kind of partner, be it in academia, startups or large pharma companies. We understand the challenges from discovery, development to commercialization of a new chemical entity and how to address them with speed and agility. Underlying all our operations and capabilities remains the relentless spirit matched with an ethos of speed and agility with trust and transparency, grounding our approach in high quality and high safety that always comes first at Aurigene, a place for innovation accelerated now and in the future.